Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports Always On, most likely iPhone 14 Pro or newer. Once done, make sure iOS is current. This prevents missing options. Now open Settings and navigate directly to Wallpaper so you don't waste time. You should already have the image in Photos or Files. If not, pause and save it. This prepares the single required path, the only way Apple exposes wallpaper changes for the Always On feature. So you can proceed. You now tap Add New Wallpaper and choose a photo or photo shuffle. When you pick the image, set it to still or perspective. Do not use live unless you want a different behavior. Next, crop and move the image so key elements remain visible in the dim Always On state. Make sure to preview the lock screen layout because the Always On wallpaper inherits that composition. Once satisfied, proceed to save. This customization step determines how the Always On display will look. You finish by enabling Always On in Settings Display and Brightness. Toggle it on, then lock the phone to inspect the dimmed wallpaper. Make sure the lock screen wallpaper you set is the one shown when Always On is active. If it is not, reapply the wallpaper from the wallpaper settings. If the display remains unchanged, restart the iPhone, check for iOS updates, and then repeat the wallpaper setup. This final troubleshoot step resolves most problems so your Always On wallpaper appears correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.